So, since the theme of today's poetry was February, I always associated February with love. Now, love changes, right? The kind of love we had when it was like a first love, then a little mature one, then even more nuanced one, it changes, right? The romantic kind. Well, I've seen friendships also change in a similar manner. The kind of friends we had growing up, some of them stay for the entire book, some of them are just for few chapters. So this poem is dedication to love towards friendship and how they change over a period of time. So I have written this poem. So the name of the poem is Friendship Bracelet, and I have associated different kinds of friends we pull to different beads of a friendship bracelet. So it's open to interpretation, but that's my justification of it. Friendship bracelet. Are you still looking for your friendship bracelet? Remember those beads we picked from different boxes? Some of them sparkled. You hoped to share their glimmer. Have you realized yet that they are just broken diamonds and it's only their dust that glitter? I still hold my old beads close. Of course, there are scratches of old fights, forgotten and forgiven in time. They cupped my tears. They cupped my tears as a lesson against the flames I might hold again. They might have not sparkled like those broken diamonds, but at least they weren't scattered away. Our string is still strong. Our string is still strong. Our knot will last lifelong. Sometimes I suffer from guilt. Sometimes I suffer from guilt of these new beads that have found my hand. They came at a different age when taxes and responsibilities tangled in my hair. But isn't it always good to have few extra to spare? Now I ask you. Now I ask you to walk up to the mirror. Talk to the image that is looking back. That pearl you see, she is the greatest ornament you ever had. I know, sometimes you feel the oyster who birthed you. Sometimes you feel the oyster who birthed you, she is your greatest friend. She did love you unconditionally, no doubt in that. But when the winters come, when the winter comes and your lips quiver and your spine shivers, you realize no one can warm you better than your own hands. So friendship bracelets last forever. It's true, friendship bracelets last forever because you are the string that holds them together. And that makes you your greatest strength. Thank you.